Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about the most common mistakes beginners make in English. Understanding these mistakes and how to correct them will help you speak more clearly and confidently. So, let's dive in and see if you're making any of these errors and learn how to avoid them. Mistake number 1. Confusing do and does. A common mistake is using the wrong auxiliary verb when asking questions. Remember to use do with I, you, we, and they, and does with he, she, and it. For example, incorrect. Does you like pizza? Correct. Do you like pizza? Incorrect. Do he work here? Correct. Does he work here? Get comfortable with this rule, and it will make your question sound more natural and accurate. Mistake number 2. Misusing a and an. Another common mistake is using a or an incorrectly before nouns. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound like a book, a car, or a university, because university starts with a U sound. Use and before words that start with a vowel sound like an apple, an hour, or an umbrella. Remember, it's the sound of the first letter, not just the letter itself, that determines which one to use. Mistake number 3. Forgetting to use plural forms. Beginners often forget to add s or es to the end of plural nouns. For example, incorrect. I have 2 cats. Correct. I have 2 cats. Incorrect. There are 3 books on the table. Correct. There are 3 books on the table. Make sure to use the plural form when talking about more than one person, place, or thing. Mistake number 4. Using the wrong word order in questions. The word order in questions is different from statements. Beginners sometimes forget to invert the subject and the auxiliary verb. For example, incorrect. You're coming? Correct. Are you coming? Incorrect. He can speak English? Correct. Can he speak English? Make sure to switch the subject and auxiliary verb to form correct questions. Mistake number 5. Mixing up there, and there. These 3 words sound similar but have different meanings and spellings. Let's clarify. There shows possession. For example, this is their house. There refers to a place. For example, the book is over there. There is the contraction of they are. For example, they're going to the park. Take your time to differentiate these words and use them correctly in sentences. Mistake number 6. Incorrect use of good and well. Many beginners confuse these 2 words. Use good as an adjective to describe a noun and well as an adverb to describe a verb. For example, incorrect. I speak English good. Correct. I speak English well. Incorrect. The food is well. Correct. The food is good. Learning when to use good and well will make your sentences sound more natural. Mistake number 7. Forgetting the ing form after prepositions. When using a verb after a preposition like in, on, at, or about, make sure to use the ing form of the verb. For example, incorrect. I'm interested in learning English. Correct. I'm interested in learning English. Incorrect. She is good at sing. Correct. She is good at singing. This small change makes a big difference in your sentence structure. Mistake number 8. Using double negatives. In English, using 2 negatives in a sentence can cause confusion. For example, incorrect. I don't need no help. Correct. I don't need any help. Incorrect. She didn't say nothing. Correct. She didn't say anything. Avoid using double negatives to keep your sentences clear and easy to understand. Mistake number 9. Incorrect use of past tense. Beginners often forget to use the past tense correctly. Make sure to add ed to regular verbs for the past tense and learn the irregular forms as well. For example, incorrect. Yesterday, I go to the store. Correct. Yesterday, I went to the store. Incorrect. She don't play tennis last week. Correct. She didn't play tennis last week. Practice using the past tense to talk about events that have already happened. Mistake number 10. Forgetting subject-verb agreement. Make sure that the verb agrees with the subject in number and person. For example, incorrect. He plays soccer. Correct. He plays soccer. Incorrect. They is happy. Correct. They're happy. Always double-check your subject-verb agreement for smoother and clearer sentences. With these tips, you'll be able to avoid common beginner mistakes and improve your English more quickly. Practice making sentences using these rules, and you'll see progress in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more tips and lessons to help you master English. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!